Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a fight on our hands.
What a reversal. Oh, wait, nice reversal. Well, look at this move, Cole. Well, look at this move, Cole. That was a heavy shot. Reversal.
They're giving each other absolutely no mercy.
Oh, a reversal. Oh. And there's the reversal. It's reversal there.
The quick kick. Oh, Jessica could be out. Oh, out of nowhere. Great reversal. Oh, Jessica came up with a huge move.
Well, look at this move, Cole.
Oh, what a painful kick.
Oh, that elbow's gotta hurt.
Jessica was just a bit lighter on her feet there.